Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Northwestern Mutual provides a wealth of resources designed to empower individuals in planning for a secure retirement. Their comprehensive retirement planning section on their website delves into key aspects of securing your financial future. They offer tools and guidance that can help you visualize and prepare for a comfortable retirement, regardless of your current stage of life. The site explores a range of topics crucial for retirement planning. From understanding how much you need to save to managing your investments effectively, Northwestern Mutual aims to provide a holistic approach. They cover strategies for accumulating wealth during your working years and offer insights into making smart financial decisions as you transition into retirement. Northwestern Mutual emphasizes the importance of personalized planning. They recognize that everyone's financial situation and retirement goals are unique. Their resources are structured to help you tailor a plan that aligns with your specific needs and aspirations, whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement age. The website provides access to articles, calculators, and other interactive tools designed to simplify the complexities of retirement planning. For example, they offer calculators to estimate your retirement needs based on factors like your current age, income, and desired lifestyle. They also delve into topics such as Social Security benefits, healthcare costs in retirement, and managing potential long-term care expenses. Furthermore, Northwestern Mutual stresses the value of professional financial advice. They encourage individuals to connect with their financial advisors to discuss their retirement goals and develop a personalized plan. This personalized guidance can help you navigate the intricacies of retirement planning and make informed decisions about your financial future. They also provide resources to help you locate a financial advisor in your area if you don't already have one. Exploring Northwestern Mutual's retirement planning resources can be a valuable step towards securing a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. They provide a solid foundation of knowledge and tools to help you take control of your financial future and prepare for a successful transition into retirement. They also address the emotional and lifestyle aspects of retirement, helping you consider how you'll spend your time and maintain your well-being. Ultimately, Northwestern Mutual aims to empower individuals to make informed decisions and achieve their retirement dreams.